In this tutorial, I'll show how to archive documents in Next using drag and drop. I'll start by finding the price list we already have in Next. Only one from 16. On my desktop, I have the new price list in PDF. I'll drag it onto Next. Yes. And the Excel version as well. Yes. Tell it is a price list. Fill out the details. Professional collection. Americas 2019 edition by Daryl. And away it goes. Press refresh. And yes, the new price list is now archived in Next. To attach an additional file, click to open the detail view. Then drag your file onto Next. This is the intro letter. Attach. And the file is in Next. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.
Multi-support, making good business run better.